Hello guys, welcome back sa TarPH TV. So quick video lang tayo today guys, and I just want to share sa inyo yung nakuha nating cellphone via online. And yun, this Realme Note 50, and surprisingly nakuha lang natin siya for 2,327 pesos to be exact. How did I do that? Kaka-release lang nito and they had a special promo for 3.5. Then nakuha natin yung 30% discount voucher plus subcoin. So yun, nakuha natin siya for that amount. And with that guys, yun, I have to open it and yung seal kasi I have to show din dun sa nag-deliver na tama yung dumating. Kasi siguro kung pagbukas natin tapos bato yung nakalagay, mas magte-trending. But luckily, we were able to receive this one. Tinanggal lang natin yung seal niya, so it's properly packed. Thank you dun sa shop na pinabila natin. It's properly packed and complete naman. Hindi pa natin actually nabubuksan yung actual phone, but yun, I want to share with you kasi kung ano yung laman niya. And let's start. As you can see, yung front niya, it's all the typical parang yellow-orange na Realme na packaging. So it's from Realme Note 50. Yung side niya, this is a 4GB and 4GB memory and 64GB na RAM. And yung side, tapos yung back niya, so with the different details. And what's inside, it's a sliding box. So slide natin siya. Hindi natin masyadong i-review yung technicalities nito guys kasi hindi naman tayo masyadong familiar when it comes to phone. But what's inside is the Realme box or booklet. Then inside it, andyan yung pin. And yun, meron siyang welcome to the Realme family. Meron siyang soft case na kasama. Soft case na kasama with may tag. So not sure para saan yung QR code niyon. And some manuals. So this quick guide and Realme safety guide. So yan, it's actually paper na hindi naman din natin talaga siya binabasa, no? So yun, and as for the phone, siguro yung details na ilagay na lang natin sa comment section below. But what's inside is we got this. Yung charging cable niya is USB to kabilang dulo niya is USB to USB type C. Yun, so meron na siyang cable, meron din siyang power adapter na kasama. It's output of 5 volts 2 amperes na output. Yeah, so medyo fast charging na to I think because malaki yung ampere niya. And input niya is 240 volts, 0.4 amperes. Yeah, so power supply. And the rest I think mga pillars na lang. So pillars ng box. Now going to the actual phone. Yan yung actual phone niya nakalagay dito sa paper. As you can see, medyo manipis siya with 3 cameras, 12 megapixel to, and may wide, tapos meron siyang flash, and yun yung sa harap niya. Wait, let me check and try to get some details sa specifications. So yun guys, we plugged it in, and yun nga, pagka-plug in natin, nagkaroon na siya ng hello, and hindi pa natin siya nasa setup. But for the specifications guys, na nakita natin dun sa GSM Arena, this is the Realme Note 50, and it was released last January 23, 2024. It's only 186 grams and 8mm thick. Using Android 13 na siya with Realme user interface T. 4 gig memory and 64 gig na storage, which is expandable with micro SD XC. Ang display is 6.74 inches na 720 by 1600 pixels. It has 13 megapixel na camera that's capable of 1080p video, 4 gig RAM, and yun, 5000 milliampere hours yung kanyang battery. And this is hindi pa siya 5G, so 4G GSM HSP LTE lang yung kaya niya, so hindi pa siya 5G. At its price point, medyo yan, pinasok ko lahat ni Realme yung ganong features dito sa phone na to. And as said nga, I was able to get this only at 2,327 nung nag-sale siya. So yan guys, after a few minutes ng setup, so ito na siya, and as you can see, medyo ganda na may reaction niya sa mga moves, no. Tapos pansin ko lang may mga pre-installed na siya ng mga application. So yan, install niya na sila Facebook, Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, of course yung Realme community. Tapos meron pa siya ditong hot apps. I'm not sure if it's a folder or well, just check it some other time. Lock muna natin yun. And yung isa yung hot games. So meron din siyang booking app, clock, videos. Tapos yun, install natin yung Geekbench. So let's try. Yung Atunto medyo daw familiar kung paano So sa Geekbench, model Realme RMX 3834, running 130 and ARM Unisoc. So yan, let's run yung kanyang test. So while running yung test now, I would like to give a big shoutout na rin sa ating mga members na sina Paslupang Burgis, si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Taste and si by Tesha, si Sis Mimi and Yuki, or yung bago niyang vlog na Junk Collab, Mami Belsato, and si Mami Mads Helen. And yun, sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Yun. So mukhang medyo matagal to guys, i-stop ko muna, then we'll just share yung yung result. So yun guys, medyo matagal pala yung test, but before we show yung test result, yun, quick roundup ng phone. So may kasama na siyang soft gel, volume rocker niya plus minus, tapos meron siyang power button na kaya nandyan na rin yung finger sensor. Then dito yung kanyang lagay ng SIM card and yung SD card. So single speaker lang siya, USB Type-C, meron pa siyang kasamang headphone jack. So pag tinignan nyo guys, para siyang iPhone with a 3 camera, manipis, 6.74 inch display, but yun nga, meron pa rin siyang black dito sa side na to, and dun sa part, and yung hole ng camera niya. And another good addition na napansin natin guys, which is nakakatuwa, no, if you'll check dun sa kanyang phone, kung nakikita nyo guys, meron na siyang kasamang screen protector. Medyo manipis lang siya, but a good addition for this price point guys. So punta na tayo dun sa ating result. So for the benchmark history, let's see yung CPU niya. So sa CPU, we got 423 single core score and 1475 multi-core score. So with Geekbench, and then yung mga details niya, navigation, HTML, photo library, and also we did na rin yung kanyang GPU. So for the GPU, OpenGL score niya is 448. So those are familiar with those scores, masasabi nyo kung okay yung phone na to at its price point. So please comment na lang sa sa comment section below kung okay yung mga scores na yun guys. So yun guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video na to, and your thoughts about this phone from Realme Note 50 at price point niya I believe 3.5 yung kanyang price, and nasend ko lang natin siya sa online ng 2,327. So it's an iPhone like phone, yung kanyang features, yung kanyang how you handle it, medyo may konting weight siya but still it's a good phone. I think for day to day okay na siya, but of course I want to hear from you guys. If you're familiar din sa Geekbench result, please do share sa comment below kung okay siya, and sa mga naghahanap ng phone yan, I think this is a good option. So if you're going to buy online, yan, check nyo lang guys, just make sure official yung pinagbilhan natin, so para hindi tayo medyo maloko. So I got this from the official Realme store, and yun nga, yung release date niya natapat, and natapat din yung voucher natin, so we're able to use that 30% discount. So yun, good tip din sa mga bumibili online. It took a while din bago siya na-deliver dahil I think maraming nag-order, and after 2 days nag-sold out na siya. So I think marami ring nakakuha ng ganong discount or ganong price. So yan, ganito lang guys. Hope to see you sa ating mga susunod pang mga video. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investments, and from time to time nagte-tech review tayo. And of course, if you are into gaming, please do check out our other channel Tower PH Gaming, where we can experience the excitement sa mga mobile games natin. Maybe in the future, or hopefully we can use this one to play mobile games, then i-showcase natin dun sa ating Tower PH Gaming channel. So yun, I hope you liked and enjoyed this. Leave na lang thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong video uploads. Hanggang dito lang guys. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.